Hello, guys. Welcome to Amapiano UK. Welcome to another one. I just thought I'd do a quick one. Just doing a quick beat breakdown. This is sort of like a private school Amapiano thing that I'd like to show you all. So you can probably see it all in front of you now. So this is just a project I did a while ago, sort of like in the private school environment kind of thing, but it's somewhere there. Well, one thing I just wanted to show you guys is a cool trick that I sometimes do to see if my tracks are just okay. I like to find vocals, and I find vocal chops, and I just use them to just guide my song. Sometimes I use them to see if my chords make sound really good, maybe in a house kind of way. So I encourage everyone to use this trick. Find like your favorite old school kwaito house songs, some good vocals, like some house vocals, and I just layer them on, and that's what I used to make the track. So I'm gonna play the track without the vocal because I don't want to get copyrighted. Then I'm gonna play it afterwards with the vocal, sort of, because I got effects on it. So you just hear why I do what I do. It just helps me to balance out the track. Then I'm like, oh no, there's too much. So I always keep a vocal inside my packs. You just find one, go online, you can split it yourself, and then just keep it in your library to use it anytime you need to do so. So I'll just play the beat now without the vocal, and you let me know what it sounds like in the comments. So that's it, guys. That's just the track. As you can see, I think you probably know what vocal I used for this song. So as always, guys, please, most of you who are watching are not subscribed right now. If you can subscribe, I would really appreciate that. That'll help go a long way in making sure that I continue to make better and better content, as well as just giving you guys more and more. As well, as usual, I'm gonna include this FLP in the description for you to download free. No links, nothing. You can just freely download the FLP. I've got the whole project here with the vocals, so you can just see why I use the vocals this way. I wouldn't say I mastered this the best, but it's okay. I just leveled it so it sounds okay. Most of the stuff I've done here is not there's not much I've done, but hopefully this can be helpful to some of you out there, and I hope you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments. And as you always, hope you guys stay well, continue grooving and making amapiano. Cheers.